Hello, this is Brian again on the next stretch of Lightning Gulch Point. Well, after I found that straight path past those little rock ducks, had that nice little flat area, went up a pretty tedious hill, and now I'm going back downhill again. If you go over to the edge here, you'll see a lot of good views. But I know the stretch to peak 9360 will be along this stretch somewhere, but I don't know exactly how far. Whenever I see higher ground branching off to the right, that's when I know it's time to go off trail. I do want to hit that one first, and then navigate my way back to the road. But yeah, we're losing a little bit of elevation, but that's one thing. You do get some mellow stretches of trail. It'll actually probably give my feet a break when I'm hiking back from all the downhill. So my feet, at least my left foot, still acts up a little bit ever since that fall I took back in June. So that's why, another reason why my hikes have been a lot easier and simpler lately. But I say, it's definitely a beautiful hike. I've seen a few limber pines too. A few of them have been popping up, mostly on this side here, because that's a north-facing slope right there. In moister areas you can find them on south-facing slopes, but here, where it's a little drier, you'll see more on north-facing slopes. Alright. So, the navigation's been a lot easier ever since that intersection. It's been really easy to follow this. So, shouldn't have much navigational difficulty after those first couple of spots. We're going uphill a little bit, very gentle. Nothing too steep here. Well, I'm going to keep on going. I'll basically see you at the turnoff for peak 9360. Don't know if I'm going to bother going for 9306. We'll see.